The pond is a water habitat similar to a small lake but not as deep, and a place where plants and animals live.
There are different kinds of ponds. Mountain ponds are formed by glaciers. Kettle ponds are holes left behind when glaciers melt. Meadow stream ponds are made by streams when they spread out, and farm ponds are made by humans.
There are many types of plants that grow around the pond. There are bushes, trees, and tall grasses.
There are several kinds of plants that grow in ponds. One type is called emergent plants that are close to the edge and have flowers that stick out above the water.
A second type is floating plants that float on top of the water and have roots that hang down. A third type is submerged plants that are totally underwater.
There are several kinds of animals that make their homes around the pond. Some are deer, raccoons, ducks, geese, swans, and turtles. Others make their homes in ponds. These are beavers, frogs, toads, and insects, to name a few.
As you can see, there are many different forms of ponds where plants and animals live.
Hi, my name is Alexia Woolley. I am reporting from Bigelow Pond from Union, Connecticut. I found so many interesting animals. One of the animals I found was the mallard duck.
Hi, I'm Alexia. Welcome to the world of the mallard duck. The mallard duck lives nearby different bodies of water. It uses physical adaptations to survive. It uses its beak to drink water. It breathes through its air holes on its bill. Ducks blend with their surroundings to keep nests safe. The mallard duck also uses behavioral adaptations to survive. Mallard ducks drink from ponds, rivers, or lakes. The duck sticks its tail up in the air to grab its food. The duck pretends to have a broken wing to keep enemies away.
Hello, Newington. My name is Corey Smith, reporting from Mill Pond in Newington, Connecticut. I was looking at all of the plants at the edge of the pond when I found a chubby beaver gnawing at some branches. Hello, I'm Corey Smith, and I'm going to tell you about the beaver. The beaver lives in the pond and physically adapts to its environment. The beaver has super sharp teeth to eat very slowly. The beaver uses its large mouth to take in water. It has large lungs to store lots of air. They have muscles that seal their nostrils so that water will not go in while they are swimming. When it senses danger, it slaps its tail on the water to scare away the predator. This is how the beaver physically adapts to its environment. The beaver also behaviorally adapts to its environment. It stores leftover food in the bottom of the mud. If they run out of food in the winter, they start eating parts of their dam. They save their water inside the lodge. The beaver uses its lodge to protect itself from weather. This is how the beaver behaviorally adapts to its environment.
Hi, my name is Emma Walker, reporting live from Helal Pond Park in Newington, Connecticut. I have been searching around and this amazing animal caught my eye. It was a snail.
Hi, my name is Emma Walker and I'm going to introduce you to the world of the snail. The snail lives near the pond and adapts physically to its environment in order to survive. The snail uses its rattlers to eat its prey. Rattlers are long, flat tongues. Freshwater snails eat grass, leaves, and rotting plants. Snails use their tentacles to drink water from the pond. Snails also use their gills to breathe underwater. Snails protect themselves physically because of their hard shells. This is how the snail survives in the pond habitat physically. The snail lives near the pond and adapts behaviorally to its environment. In order to survive, the snail lives everywhere in the world. Some snails live on land. Freshwater snails live inside the ocean, the pond, marshes, lakes, and rivers. The snail absorbs the water from the humidity in the air. Also get water from ponds. But snails don't need much water to survive. The snail breathes through their skin in the water. The snail protects itself by having camouflage shells to blend in with other surroundings or objects. Sometimes you cannot easily see the snail. When the snail is camouflaged, they look like their surroundings. This is how the snail survives in the pond habitat behaviorally.
Hi, my name is Matt Reffis, and I'm reporting from Mill Pond in Newington, Connecticut. I was exploring on the edge of the pond when I stumbled upon the garter snake hissing at me.
Welcome to the world of the garter snake by now. The garter snake lives around the pond and survives by using physical adaptations. The garter snake uses its venom to slow its prey down and then eats it. The garter snake gets water by drinking at the shore of the pond. It breathes through one lung and its nostrils. It protects itself by putting its body in an S shape, then it strikes at its predator. This is how the garter snake survives around and at the shore of the pond. The garter snake also uses behavioral adaptations. It uses camouflage to blend into its surroundings and then catches prey. The garter snake gets water by eating its prey or by drinking water at the pond shore. The garter snake protects itself by using its camouflage. It confuses the attacker who cannot tell their head from its tail. It also hibernates to protect itself from a cold winter, and they also hide. This is how the garter snake survives on the shore of the pond and around it.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Nicole Dorman. I'm reporting from Acadia National Park in Maine. While observing the ducks on the ground, I spotted a salamander. I'm Nicole Dorman. Today I'm going to tell you all about the salamander. The salamander adapts physically to the pond environment to survive. The salamander uses its teeth to hold on to its squirmy prey. It eats other salamanders' eggs. The salamander absorbs water through its skin. It doesn't drink water. The salamander uses its special lining in its mouth to breathe. It breathes through its skin. Sometimes it has no lungs and uses its gills to breathe. Their body temperature changes with the weather. Salamander's slimy skin helps them escape enemies. They can grow back any body part. That is how the salamander adapts physically to the pond environment. The salamander also adapts behaviorally to the pond habitat. It gets its food by smelling out its prey. Salamanders shed their old skin and eat it. The salamander gulps down food that is whole and alive. They dig around through the muddy water, but they don't drink water. Salamanders breathe through their skin if they don't have lungs or gills. The salamander's skin must be wet in order to breathe air. They are good at hiding and good at being sneaky. They hibernate by digging holes and burying themselves to keep warm in the harsh winter months. That is how the salamander adapts behaviorally to the pond environment.
Hi, I'm Noah Terso, reporting from Black Pond, Lake Ontario, New York. In the distance, a dragonfly was eating a fly.
Hi, my name is Noah, and I'm going to introduce you to the amazing world of the dragonfly. The dragonfly lives near ponds and adapts physically to its environment in order to survive. It holds its legs out to catch its prey. The dragonfly gets its water from a pond. The dragonfly breathes through little holes in its body. It defends itself using its powerful body. The dragonfly has very sharp claws so it could clutch on to stuff during a storm. A dragonfly nymph uses its wings to help hunt for worms, tadpoles, small fish, and insects. The dragonfly also demonstrates behavioral adaptations. It stretches out its body to catch its prey. The dragonfly hunts for its food over ponds and streams.
Hey, this is Shalea Daly reporting from Helal Pond in Newington, Connecticut. I was walking along the edge of the pond. I saw a turtle poke his head out for some sun. Then just like that, he was gone. The turtle lives in around the pond. The turtle has some physical adaptation that helps it to survive. The turtle is a predator to mammals, tadpoles, and water bugs. The turtle lives in the water and gives that chance that the water around it. During the summer, the turtle absorbs air through its skin and when it's underwater and breathes in air when it's out of the water. When it's warming up in the sun, the turtle has a very strong shell, extra protection from predators, very proof from other predators, can break a turtle shell once. What are the physical adaptations that the turtle eats? The turtle also use behavioral adaptations to survive in the pond. The turtle travels deep in the water, but protects itself from predators. What?
Blending
from the floor on the pond. I don't know, the leaves and the mud. During the winter, the turtle hibernates in the mud of the pond. The turtle does not have to eat or breathe during hibernation. The turtle adapts, but it's slowing its heartbeat.
The heart actually only beats once every 10 minutes.
The heart actually only beats once every
10 minutes. The adaptations turn off right in the turn off in the pond.